Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dream View channel. Now I am going to tell you about Whirlpool 240 liters frost-free triple door refrigerator. First we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 240 liters, good for families of 3 to 5 members, compressor type, rotary, defrosting type, frost-free auto fridge defrost to stop ice buildup. Specifications. Generally in the box we get refrigerator unit, manual and warranty card. Type triple door refrigerator type, top freezer refrigerator. Compressor type rotary, capacity 240 liters, number of doors 3, warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 23,990 rupees only. To order this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dream View channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.